Hey everyone, welcome back to another Magic Minute. Today I'm going to show you how to use one of the latest features added to the Enterprise plan of MagicSchool, Enterprise Custom Tools. This new feature allows you to create new customized tools that you can deploy to all of the teachers in your district. Let me show you how. All right, so first things first, I am here on the typical dashboard. Now, if you're the designated administrator of your organization, you'll have access to this My Organization dropdown, and you'll notice that there's a new button called Tool Management. Here there are three different sections. One is to manage your customized tool library. Second is your ability to toggle the access of each of those tools. Then you have a quick toggle here if you want to turn MagicSchool for Students on or off. But for this video, I want to show you how to make one of those custom tools and then how to deploy it to your entire district. So when you first jump into that library, you'll see three sections. So here in our example, we have three tools that we have customized and now enabled the teachers in this organization to use, in addition to the tools that MagicSchool already has to offer. What you can also do is disable tools. So here we've disabled the MagicSchool Professional Email tool and the MagicSchool Parent-Teacher Conference tool. Since we disabled those tools, they will no longer show up on the teacher's dashboard in this organization. Now, I can also go ahead and customize tools. So I'm going to pretend I'm in the state of Texas and I'm going to create a lesson plan tool for 5th grade math. All right, so here I name the tool 5th grade math, Sunny ISD. I'm going to make this for 5th grade. Now for topic standards, I'm going to leave this blank for now because this is where the teacher might want to fill this in. I'm going to leave additional criteria blank because I don't need that right now. So standards to align to, I'm going to actually go ahead and click the paperclip and I'm going to upload the 5th grade math standards. Here I can give some custom instructions. So if as a district we have certain things we want in every single lesson plan, I can add that here. To include a table that has opportunities for differentiation for students who are struggling on level and advanced, and then also include a list of vocabulary for in both English and Spanish to support my EB students. Now I can test this out before giving it to any teachers. And here comes that table that I asked for differentiation, key vocabulary words. As the administrator, I have the option to either disable this tool and maybe send out just a test link. So maybe I want teachers just to try this out, or maybe I have a tech team that I want them to try this out first before sending this to teachers, or if I'm happy with it, I can click enable. Every single teacher in your organization will now have this tool pinned to their dashboard. Now you can see from a teacher's dashboard, here is that 5th grade Sunny ISD lesson plan generator ready to go. In addition to creating the custom tools, you also have access to this panel where you can give teachers the ability to either have access to a tool or not. So here you have the entire list of every tool that MagicSchool has to offer, as well as the custom tools that you've created yourself. So maybe I want to take away the lesson planning tool because I want my teachers to use the one that we've created for them. So I could simply click disable and that tool will now disappear from the dashboard of every teacher in my organization. You can also turn off tools for students as well. So if you want the students to maybe just have access to certain tools in Magic Student, you can do so and have that control. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to learn more about creating custom tools, make sure you check out this video that we've just linked here.